Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will show you how to add some mandatory field without any customization in Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation. If you are working as a Dynamics 365 administrator or functional area, this video will definitely help you to add some mandatory fields without the help of your technical team. So let's start the video. For this, I am adding one validation for the vendor form search name. This is not, I already have any validation in this field. So without any customization, with only using the interface, we are adding this customization. So let's go to vendor form. For this, open account payable menu. Under this vendors, you select all vendors. See, here you can see all the vendors are listed here. So I open the first vendor, Acme Office Suppliers. See, here you can see I'm trying to add some mandatory validation in the search name. So before that, we can check this is already have any validation. So I remove this value and save this. This is taking the process going on. See, it is saved. So we can understand that this field has no any validation. So we can just reopen the same supplier. See, this search name is has now any validation. So we are adding the validation from the user interface. For this, click on this field and right click button. See, you can see some personalized search name option. You can see, click on this option. It will open one pop-up window. There you have options: hide, required, show in header, skip, log. So here you check the required option. Then click on the personalize this page. Then you can see this is close this window. So now you can see a validation is added to this search name field. So once you save this vendor without filling the search name, this will show some validation. See, you can see I'm clicking on the save button. See, this field is showing some validation, and you can see the error message here, warning message here. Field search name must be filled in. So this is a very helpful video if you're working in an organization. If you're working as an administrator, this will help you to add some validation in your organization for the users. So try to test this process. Thanks for watching this video. We can see in the next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.